Today in this video, I will show you how to create an account and what's the different type of account you can do with Dropp. So the first step is you go on the website, you type your email, you will receive a code to enter it. Here, it's very simple. Then you can type your name, so you can type any name. It's not related to the creator name, so you can type your real name. Then you have two types of different accounts. The first one is a creator account, and the second one is an agency account. Basically, if you work with people, I advise you to create an agency account. Once you are here, you can select your type of activity. You have a bunch of activity, so you can be coach, model, expert, or anything else. You click on continue. Then here you put your agency account. If you're a creator, will ask your creator name. And then you choose what kind of currency do you want to be paid out and your country of residence. So you can validate them. After this, you will enter in the overview tab where you will have your analytics showing up. You will have on the top right corner the agency setting here. You can modify and set up different stuff, currencies, state, etc. Then you can go to the creator tab. So here you will start to add a creator. If it's an AI creator, you just click on AI. If not, you put the email of the creator and you will receive an email. So here you have the username of the creator. So here you validate. Once you have done this, you can see here your creator and your creator tab and access the profile from there. You will have all the information of the creator here, the content tab, the payment link tab, the link in bio tab, etc., etc.